In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your WooCommerce WordPress website. If you're running an online store, you already know that speed matters. A faster website doesn't just improve the user experience, it can also lead to higher conversions and better search engine rankings. But with all the elements that go into a WooCommerce site, like images, plugins, and hosting, things can slow down quickly. Don't worry though, by following the steps I'm about to share, you can significantly enhance your website's performance and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to address is image optimization. Images are often one of the biggest culprits behind slow websites. Before uploading any image to your site, make sure it's resized and compressed. You can use tools like Photoshop or Lightroom to do this manually. If you're not comfortable with those, there's an easier way. You can upload your raw image files directly to your site and let a plugin like Smush handle the compression for you automatically. Smush is a fantastic tool that can reduce the file size of your images without compromising their quality. And when your images load faster, so does your entire website. Speaking of Smush, once you've installed and activated the plugin, you'll want to take advantage of its bulk Smush feature. This allows you to compress up to 50 images at a time. All you have to do is click the bulk Smush button, and the plugin will do the work for you. If you have a lot of images, just repeat this process until every single one is optimized. It's a quick and effective way to ensure your site isn't bogged down by unnecessarily large files. The next step is to use a content delivery network, or CDN. A CDN works by storing copies of your website's files on servers around the world, which reduces the distance between your site's visitors and the server delivering the content. This means faster loading times for everyone. You can set up a free CDN like Cloudflare or opt for a paid option like Bunny.net, depending on your budget and needs. Some web hosts even offer built-in CDNs, so be sure to check if that's an option for you. Now let's talk about hosting. Your web host plays a huge role in your site's speed. If you're using a hosting provider that isn't optimized for WooCommerce, it might be time to upgrade. Look for providers like Hostinger that are specifically designed to handle the unique demands of an online store. When choosing a plan, consider the size of your store and the amount of traffic you receive. The right hosting can make a world of difference. If you decide to switch hosting providers, you'll need to migrate your website. Start by installing and activating a WordPress maintenance mode plugin. This will temporarily take your store offline, preventing any disruptions to your customers during the migration. Next, use a tool like the all-in-one WP migration plugin or your host's migration service to transfer your site. It's best to do this during off-peak hours to avoid any order conflicts. Once the migration is complete, your site should be up and running on the new host. After switching hosts, don't forget to enable the CDN on your new hosting dashboard. This step ensures that your content is distributed globally, just as it was before. Double-check that everything is configured correctly and that your CDN is working as expected. Now let's revisit image optimization for a moment. With the Smush plugin already installed, make sure it's set to automatically optimize any new images you upload. This eliminates the need for manual compression in the future, keeping your site fast and lightweight. Finally, it's important to monitor your site's performance regularly. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix to test your WooCommerce store's speed. These tools will provide you with detailed reports and suggestions on how to make any additional improvements. By keeping an eye on your site's performance, you can address any issues before they become major problems. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have a WooCommerce site that's not only fast, but also equipped to handle your growing business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.